Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Priya and this is my very first YouTube video. I've been wanting to start this for a while, but I guess quarantine and this pandemic taught a lot of people a lot of things, and this was one of it for me. So I'm just doing a little soft glam look over here and I hope you guys like it. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Moodstruck Addiction Shadow Palette number 2 in the shade Cocky. As you guys can see, I have already done my eyebrows, but I just thought to share the products which I use. For concealer, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour wear to prime my eyes. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. The shades I'm using are Peaches and Cream, and I'm working from the inner corner of my eyelid and I'm blending it towards the middle of my eyelid. For the outer corner of my eyelids, I am using the same eyeshadow palette in the shade Pure, and I'm just blending it from the outer corner, working my way out. I'm using the Peaches and Cream shade again, and I am just putting layers of eyeshadow on top of the eyeshadow which I already put on, just so that it can get a cleaner look. The eyeliner which I'm using is the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. This is the best eyeliner I have ever owned. It is very creamy and it's really easy to apply. Foundation which I'm using is the Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation. My skin is really oily and this is my favorite go-to. The powder I'm using is called the Mineral Touch Press Powder from Unique. Guys, if you guys haven't heard of this company, this brand name Unique, their 3D and 4D mascaras are amazing. You gotta try it. Also, this video is not at all sponsored by Unique. These are just some honest feedbacks of the products which I really enjoy. I'm using the Mineral Touch Press Powder from Unique again. I usually like to set my face after putting on the foundation and right after putting on the concealer as well. Guys, this is what I've been talking about. This is called the Moodstruck Epic 4D Mascara from Unique. I will have a different tutorial to show how it works, but trust me, this works like magic. Finally, this is the best part about doing my makeup. I'm using the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this powder smells so good. Like, I can be using it like throughout my whole face, but unfortunately this is not what that is for. But I'm putting it and baking my face for at least 3 to 4 minutes. The bronzing powder I'm using is from Lancome. It's called the Sun-Kissed Bronzing Powder. Comment below and let me know what other bronzing powders you guys recommend. My favorite glow kit, Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just using it to highlight my cheekbones, on top of my nose, tip of my nose, my chin area, and my forehead. To highlight the inner corners of my eyes, I'm using the same glow kit. This just basically puts all the focus and attention around your eye area. In order to line my lower lash line, I'm using the Moodstruck Addiction Shadow Palette number 2. Shade is called Peppy. For lipstick, I'm using the Milani Cosmetics line, shade number 12, Loved. This is the perfect pinkish, nudish look, which I really love. This is something which I struggle with a lot, and that is spraying mist on my face. But we are going to finish the look with the finishing mist from MAC. So here you go guys, a settled glowy look which you can rock during the day or at nighttime. Hope you guys liked the video. Comment below and let me know what are your favorite makeup products and what kind of look you would like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you for watching.